Tired of your Medicare Supplement premiums going up every year? There may be new plans in your area with a lower monthly premium for the exact same coverage. We're joined by Mike Hitcho, CEO of Hitcho Insurance Agency. Mike, we always love when you join us for Community Connection.
Thank you, Liz.
All right, so what's the biggest misconception people have about Medicare supplements?
Oh, good question. I'll tell you there's three that I know of. Number one, a lot of people don't understand that the same coverage could be offered from multiple insurance carriers. The reason for this is it's standardized plans throughout the country, and that's right in the Medicare New Handbook, you know, that thick book that no one reads. I understand why they don't read it. But the truth is, you know, if you have Plan G, for example, from United Healthcare, Plan G is the same at Highmark, at Capital Blue Cross, at Aetna, Mutual of Omaha. I mean, the list goes on with all these different insurance carriers. But it's true, if you have that Plan G, it's the same coverage. There's no network, okay? People think there's supplements health insurance, and it's not. The second thing is they've been told for eons, if you have Plan C or Plan F, you gotta keep it. It's, quote, the best coverage. It's not necessarily true. Maybe taking a plan that's more affordable but has a small deductible might actually end up saving you money. And the other thing is that you could swap these plans throughout the year. Now, there is a caveat. You got to be in a certain condition to be able to medically qualify. People think that they, maybe have something basic like type 2 diabetes. I can't qualify, so I'm not even trying. And that's a bad misconception.
Okay, I'm glad that you cleared that up. What does the process look like for someone who maybe wants to switch?
Yeah, so they will have to go through some medical questions, but there's no nurse that comes out. These are yes or no questions. It takes 4 or 5 minutes to go through the questions. And if we were with a client and they said yes to something, we'd verify that that's the case and say, okay, you know what, we can't put an application, we're not going to do that. But if everything's no, we're going to put a request into the insurance carrier. Two things will happen. Either immediately you'll find out, hey, you're approved, or a decline could take place. If the decline takes place, and sometimes it happens, we'll say, well, wait a minute, we'll find out the reason why, and then get a letter from the doctor if that's not true. And that's happened. So, we have a high rate of turning over and getting our folks who are decline approved.
Okay, good. Yeah. Now, where can someone go if they, want to save some money?
Well, just for example, somebody recently did this. We helped a client just a week ago. She was paying $405 for Plan G. We got her down to roughly $225.
Wow.
So, saving thousands of dollars for the same coverage. Her Part B doesn't start over the deductible. So shopping this is important. Giving us a call, go to our website, fill out the form online, just so we could contact you, or calling in or texting. These are some of the best ways to get a hold of us and have a conversation with one of the reps.
Okay, Mike, thank you so much for joining us on Community Connection.
Thanks.